In Python, a list is a mutable data structure that allows you to store a collection of items of same or different data types. Lists are one of the most commonly used data types in Python. They are defined by enclosing comma separated values within square brackets. You can access individual elements of a list using indexes. The first element has an index 0. Negative indexes can also be used to access elements from the end of the list. Here, at index 0, we have a name John. When I specify -1, it would check for the first element from the end, and hence it prints the name Jerry. Lists are mutable, so you can change or update elements by assigning new values to specific indices. In the original list, at index 1, we have the name Alice. Now, I want to update that name with Tom. So I would say names of 1 equals Tom. So the names list would be updated to John, Tom, and Jerry. We can perform several operations on lists. Some of them are append, insert, remove, pop, len. Append method is used to add elements at the end of the list. I have the list John, Alice, Jerry, and I want to add Tom at the end of this list. So I use the method append. Insert method is used to insert an element at the specific position. So I want to insert the name Derek at index 1. So I will say names dot index of 1 Derek. So the updated names array would look like names list would look like this. Remove method is used to remove a specific element. So if I want to remove the name Alice, I would say names.remove of Alice. So the updated array would not have the name Alice. Pop. This method is used to remove element at the given index. If I want to remove element at index 0, I'll say pop of 0. If I want to remove at index 1, I would say pop of 1. If I do not specify any index, then it would remove element from the end of the list. So here we have the after removing the element at index 0, the array would be Derek, Cherry and Tom. Now if I call pop without specifying any index, it would remove the last element. Now we have only Derek and Cherry in the names list. Length function is used to give the length of the list. After performing all these operations, we are left with only two elements in the names list. So the output of length of names would be 2. Not only insertion or removal, we can extract a portion of the list using slicing. It allows you to specify a range of the indices to retrieve a sublist. First index is inclusive and second index is exclusive. So when I specify 1 and 3, it starts from 1 and ends before 3. So here I will get Derek and Alice, the index 1 and 2 because 3 is exclusive. You can use plus operator to concatenate two or more lists. I have two lists ABC, DEF. If I use concatenation operator on these two lists, I would get a final list which has all these elements.